My name is Damon Thompson with Beckhoff Automation. We're in the Lower South 6149 hall here at PAC Expo 2019. One of the things we're debuting is our XTS system, the extended transport. And along with that, we've built kind of a mini production line here with TwinCAT Vision on it, which we're also debuting in North America for the first time. Our TwinCAT Vision system is new for us. We've taken a lot of the things that we hear customer feedback and integrated it into a brand new vision solution where we bring the image from the Gigi camera, any Gigi camera you'd like to select on the market, into our TwinCAT real time. So we've really reduced the latency from camera to field bus to processing in the PLC back out to field bus, making that extremely efficient, even to the point where we can close maybe a position loop using the vision, integrating it very closely with motion control or encoder counts. We've also integrated that into the same TwinCAT environment so that the vision is actually programmed using IEC 61131 PLC code. So all in the same environment, known by the controls guy, very comfortable being able to see the image, programming it in a language they know. For any additional information on TwinCAT Vision, the XTS system, swing by our booth at PAC Expo or visit us at www.beckhoff.com.